Human endocrine system. Endocrine overview. Hormones, chemical messengers, travel through body. Target cell or organ or cells that a hormone affects. The control of hormone release. Negative feedback mechanism. Hormone release is triggered by stimulus. Rising levels of hormone inhibit further release. Endocrine stimuli. Hormonal. Hormones stimulate the release of others. Humoral. Blood stimulates release of hormones. Neural. Nerves stimulate hormone release. Anterior pituitary gland. Growth hormones or GH affects the growth of skeletal muscles and bones. Prolactin or PRL stimulates milk production after pregnancy. Gonadotropic regulates hormone activity of sex organ. Also affects adrenal cortex and thyroid hormone release. Posterior pituitary oxytocin helps during pregnancy, and the antidiuretic hormones or ADH inhibits urine production. Alcohol inhibits ADH, causing increased output of urine. Thyroid gland. Thyroid hormone controls the rate of which glucose is burned. Calcitonin decreased calcium level in blood deposits on bone. Parathyroid. Parathyroid or the PTH regulates the calcium in blood. If the calcium level drops, bones is broken down. Adrenal gland. The adrenal cortex releases hormones that regulate mineral content in blood. Adrenal medulla produces epinephrine and norepinephrine. Helps with stressful situation. Pancreas. The insulin increases glucose uptake into cells and stores in livers. Glucagon stimulates breakdown of glucose stores in the liver. Pineal gland. Melatonin establishes body's a day-night cycle. Thymus. The thymosin programs the T cells. Gonads. The androgens for the male for the sperm formation, development of male characteristics. Estrogen for the female, the development of female characteristics.